Yo, habari, you guys from Tanzania. Thank you so much for checking this out. My name is TT. I am from Botswana. So, yeah, I don't speak Swahili, but I love this song. It was in 2020, I think, when I started hearing this song because you already know 2020 was a pandemic and I was living in one of the towns in Turkey. Okay. Now you know. And I was like, you know what? I feel like I should just listen to African music. So I just went on Tanzania music, whatever, many other countries' music. And from Tanzania, this song came up and it's been my favorite since then. I've watched this video so many times. And I know it's a naughty song kind of a thing, but you know. Here we go. If you are here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel.
Kama upepo pepea, unifata mimi shoga we. Na kama bifu nimepobea, hata uende kuroga we. Na maneno naongea, kumbe una nguvu za soda.
I can sing along to the song.
Unisema kwa watu,
even though I don't know what it means. So, okay. I don't know what the song means, but if you speak Swahili, I almost say Swahili. If you speak Swahili, let me know down below what the song is all about. I'm just assuming it's about something. Anyway, I'll tell you what I'm assuming later. The video helps.
Facebook, Twitter, Insta live.
Obviously, I can understand when she says Facebook, Twitter, sijui, at Insta live.
Unapenda jinadi, kujikuta unajua kumbe mambo bado. Achana nami, muzio long time mpaka leo gado. Kisirani. Wakikugusa yanakupanda, yanakupanda. Wakivucha kono haya yanakupanda, yanakupanda. Wakikugusa yanakupanda, yanakupanda. Wakivucha kono haya yanakupanda, yanakupanda. Kichunge usipate zangu nyayo, ukifata zangu nyayo utapiga sana mnyayo. Kwanza unaniona je, kila siku mimi ninapanda be. Umechunda we, tatarida zako zitakuponza we. Badambata mwagika na utazoa mwenyewe. Ukizileta zitapangika ni kuwache upangu we.
Panic.
Ugombana na mimi bado, naona kama unanuka baba bado. Facebook, Twitter usijui bado, hata Insta live ujui bado. Unapenda jinadi, kujikuta unajua kumbe mambo bado. Achana nami, muzio long time mpaka leo gado. Kisirani. Wakikugusa yanakupanda, yanakupanda.
I just wanna Google what Kisirani means. Let's see. What Kisirani? I feel like if you know that, you should definitely get what the whole song is saying. Obviously, I am from Africa. There are some overlapping words here and there with Swahili, obviously, because you know Swahili is one of those languages. But anyway, let me finish this and then
Wakivucha kono haya yanakupanda, yanakupanda. Wakikugusa yanakupanda, yanakupanda. Wakivucha kono haya yanakupanda, yanakupanda. Kisirani.
Yo, that's a beautiful Ember from Tanzania. Yeah, that's one of my favorite songs in 2020. When I started listening to that, I was like, whoa, this right here is my jam. You know what I mean? But yeah. I just wanted to check what Jini Kisirani. Actually, I can do that on my own. So let me know what this song is all about down below in the comment section. Like I said earlier, if you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And yeah, you know what I mean? I will see you guys on the other side.